Ready to unlock the world of open source and collaborative coding? Let's dive in and get you set up with your very own GitHub account. First, head over to the GitHub website in your browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. You should see the main web page where you'll kick off this process. Once you're there, find that prominent button at the top right corner that says Sign Up, and give it a click. Awesome! Now, you'll be presented with the sign-up form. Begin by choosing a unique username. It's how others will identify you on the platform, making sure nobody else has taken your name. Then, enter a valid email address that you frequently check, because you'll get important notifications here. Next, create a strong password. Make sure it's complex enough and try using a password manager. Avoid using common words and include a mix of capital and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to secure your account. After that, you might see an optional question about receiving product updates. Select your preferred answer. Then, you will most likely need to solve a puzzle to prove that you're human, so get ready to verify your account. Follow the steps to complete the verification. Almost done. Check your email for a verification link from GitHub, and click it. This will activate your account. Congratulations, you've successfully created your GitHub account. Now explore. Customize your profile with a profile picture and any other details you want to add. And soon you'll be collaborating with other developers and contributing to open source projects.